Yeah, good morning guys. Wayne from Quickapp Creative here on the road, early hours of the morning. It's not long gone 5:30 a.m. here in Queensland, and I've got a 3-hour drive ahead of me to go see 5 customers down in the Toowoomba region of Queensland. So, but yeah, what's interesting is I was doing some research. Obviously, we've got some big jobs coming up, and being a solo operator, sometimes it's better to handball or give away these jobs, not give them away, but contract them out. So I did some research and found a national contractor here in Australia, which I've been speaking with now for a couple of weeks, and they're more than willing to partner up with me and do my larger installs for me, and either I can build a client or they can, depending on the job. But I'm meeting one of their techs down at a big job this morning as an upgrade for a hotel motel. I think they've got about 25 or 30 repeaters at the moment. But yeah, so just the point there is, guys, do some research. Your time's more valuable sometimes selling than it is installing. So it can be a smart idea to partner up with a professional company. And I think Kevin and Craig and guys like that have said this a few times. And you know, they use the systems that we integrate with. They use Ubiquity, they use Open Mesh, Meraki. So they're very familiar with all of the products that we use. And look, they can service my clients all around Australia, which makes my job a lot easier, so I can focus just on selling rather than the headache, which can be a headache installing, especially if you're not that tech savvy and not willing to upskill yourself. So yeah, guys, maybe do some research. I interviewed about 5 companies out there and chose to go with one. And yeah, so you know, they've been easy to deal with. They've got a client portal, you log in, you can manage your jobs with them and your installs and see where they're at and if there's any hiccups or anything like that. But yeah, just the importance of creating relationships and partnerships with other people in the industry to make your life a lot easier, and obviously, you know, give them a bit more business as well. So it's Tuesday morning here at 5:42. I've got a 3-hour drive ahead of me. So guys, you have a fantastic day. Happy selling, and we'll chat soon.